Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I've made a video on my YouTube channel, and I have not one, not two, but three stamping related videos coming up. The first one, which we are going to do today, is how to stamp with chrome powder. I've had so many people ask me between here and TikTok to please do a how-to video on how to stamp with chrome powder. So that video is coming up right now today. It is going to be a Valentine's Day themed stamping video. The next video is one of my videos kind of went a little viral on TikTok, and it was how to stamp, wait for it, with loose glitter. So that's going to be on the second video. And the third video, I'm not going to tell you right away what it is because I want to make sure it's going to work properly before I actually put it out on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know whenever I'm going to be having a new video. So let's turn the camera on and let's start stamping with chrome powder. Before we start stamping with chrome powder, let's get into a couple do's and don'ts with stamping with chrome powder. As you can see, I have the same image stamped on black swatching sticks, and the chrome powder I used is from Social Claus and is the Chromageddon, which is a nice fine silver chrome powder. So you can see what happens when you stamp over a matte top coat and a shiny top coat. Not all matte and shiny top coats this is going to happen to, so you gotta really have to play around with the matte and the tackless shiny top coats that you are stamping with. So one hint is to make sure using a tack free top coat, whether it's a matte or a shiny. So for this video, any of the gel products I'm using are from Magic Gel. So these are the two top coats that I have. You have the Tackless Hyper Shine and the Tackless Lux Matte. And as you can see with the stamped images, you can see that the matte top coat, it not only stuck to the sticky stamping polish when it transferred, but it stuck to the rest of the nail, which sometimes your client may or may not want that look, depending on what look you're going for. And most of the time when a client wants stamping polish with chrome powder, they're gonna want something like this. You want the image to transfer nice and clean, and you don't want all of that chrome all over the background like you have with the matte top. So the colors for the chrome powder I'm going to be using today are a red, a rose gold, and a pink. I'm also going to be using from Social Claus their Chromageddon. Now these are just inexpensive chrome powders from Amazon. So when I like to stamp with chrome powder, I like to stamp with something that's inexpensive versus something that's expensive. If I'm doing a full look with chrome powder, I'd rather reach for more of my high-end chrome. So the background colors I'm using today is a light rose, a red, and a black. Everything is from Magic Gel for all the gel products. So for the rose gold, so for the light rose, this one is the nail guard in the color light rose. The red is the ruby gel polish number 241 in MLaq. And then the black is the Magic Gel Universal Black Gel Paint. So let's get started with this and work our way over to this one. Stamping plates I'm going to be using today. I'm using two stamping plates from Clear Jelly Stamper and one from Uberchic Beauty. Everything that I will be using will be listed in the description box below. For the first look, we are using this stamping plate. It is LC94. It's part of the collaboration plate with Selena Ryden. And I'm going to be using the lips on here for this look. You also are going to need a scraper. You're going to need two different stampers, one for the sticky stamping polish and the other one for the chrome powder. When you're using chrome powder and pigments, this jelly stamper after a while is going to look all roughed and matted up. So you can see this is a brand new stamper, so you can see how clear it is, and this is what happens to your stamper when you start using chrome powder and pigments with it. So always make sure when you're stamping with chrome powder or pigments, you have a separate stamper just for that. From Clear Jelly Stamper, you have white, black, and clear sticky stamping polish. I don't have the clear, that is on my list to get. So these are SO1 and SO2 for their sticky stamping polishes. These are made for chrome powder and pigments, which is what I'm going to show you how to use these, to how to stamp with chrome powder in this video. So what you want to do, you're going to open this carefully. You're going to get one of these eyeshadow applicators. You're going to dip in the chrome powder, and you're just going to rub this on to the stamper. We're just going to do something like that, easy and simple. I like to keep this on the side if I ever need to apply more chrome powder. And I'm going to go with the traditional lip shape, this, and then we're going to do the outline on top of that. So it's going to be a layered stamping look. So I'm going to go in with the stamping polish. Scrape away. I'm going to pick that up. Then you're gonna, after you pick this up, you're gonna go in with your scraper and just pick up extra images that are on the stamper. You're gonna place that down in the area that you want, so it looks something like this. Then we're gonna go in and lightly blot that down, so it looks something like this. Now that we're done stamping all of the chrome powder lips onto the nail, next we want to go in with the layered image. So this image has two different, you have the bottom part, which we just stamped, and you have the outline on the lips. Now you can just leave it like this, but I want to do the outline and I want to make the lips pop just a tiny bit more. So instead of using a black or white, I'm going to use this color. This is 045. So now that we have the outline on here, I'm going to line this up. Let's see if I can get this in camera. I'm going to press down, let it sit for a couple seconds, and then pick up. And you can see with that outline, it just makes the lips go from this to this. It just makes it pop a little bit more. And that is going to be look number 1 for our quick Valentine's Day nail art with chrome stamper. Now, to clean your stamper in between chrome powders is going to be really easy. So if you don't have more than one old stamper, just take your sticky stamping pads and do this. And when you're done, now your stamper is prepped and clean and ready to go, and all you have to do is just peel away this. and this is the Romantic Rebel. So this one is going to be kind of like an anti-Valentine's Day look, or for the clients that want a darker themed Valentine's Day look. So I'm going to do a layered stamping look with this one with chrome powder, and I'm going to use these two images over here. And this one, I have a coat of black gel paint and the matte top coat. So I do want a little bit of that chrome scattered everywhere all over the nail with this look. So now we're gonna line this up. Now it's gonna be hard for you to see. So we'll line that up, okay. Pop that down. Then we're gonna go in with the silver. Put that over and look, make sure all of the silver. And look at that one. We did a layered stamping look with two different kinds of chrome powder. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of lace in both corners, the top and the bottom. I know you can't see it right now. Okay, so now that I have the lace in the top and the bottom, go in with chrome and stamp that down. And now there you go. We did layered stamping with two different types of chrome powder. Once you're all done, these are all three looks we did for our Valentine's Day stamping chrome powder tutorial. I hope you like it. We went with a simple layered stamping. We didn't do any layered stamping, and we did a double chrome layered stamping. So I hope you liked this video. Everything I used will be listed in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know when my other two stamping videos are going to be coming out. Talk to you soon. Bye.